Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the poison apple from Snow White. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves, leaving a gap in between. Then from the top, let's curve it out and bring it down. And then close off each eye with a wavy line. Next, let's hop to the middle and draw the nose. Let's start with a curve up in the center here. Then from the left, let's bring it down and curve it back up. And the same thing on the right side. And then underneath on the right, let's add another curve. And then let's add a curve also underneath each of the eyes. Next, we're going to hop to the top and we're going to start drawing the shape of the apple. Let's start with a small curve on top. And then curve it out and in on both sides. Next, on the top left, let's curve it out and down. And we're going to curve it up at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing on the right side, but we're going to curve it up a little bit lower down. Now from the left, let's curve it down and back up. And a shorter one on the right side. Now to continue drawing the poison on the apple, we're going to draw a wavy line across, forming a drip pattern. Now inside the two larger drips at the bottom, let's draw a teardrop shape. And then inside the left one, let's add another curve at the bottom. And that's it for the poison. Now let's finish drawing the shape of the apple at the bottom. Let's start by drawing an angle in on both sides like this. And then in between the poison in the center, let's draw a curve up and back down. Now that we have the shape of the apple, let's move to the top and draw the stem. We'll start with two curves up and over at the top. And then let's draw a bump up from the top and bottom and connect it across like this. Now we're going to draw the string tying around the stem. Let's start with two curves across. And then from both sides, let's curve it out and loop it back around. And add another curve inside. Now underneath on the left, let's draw two curves out and close it off at the end. And then for the right side, let's draw two angles down underneath towards the apple. And lastly, to finish off the string, let's draw two lines up. And that's it for the poison apple. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!